I got you, Bryson.
It's just me.
Oh, it's just, look at it. Who's the worker bee here?
Yeah, she's a locust.
Highwood. So Carol and I are taking a trip to Great Falls to get groceries today. We saw Highwood from the top. Now we're down here at the bottom. And what is this one?
Highwood.
The Highwood Creek?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, pretty. Grandma, she was determined that she was going to teach me history, but she really, her passion was Lewis and Clark. And at the time, you know, I was a kid, Grandma would be like telling me all these things, and I didn't care. She'd stop at all these historical sites and stuff, and I didn't care. But I'm so glad. I'm so glad now that she pushed all that on at the time. Wow, there's a lot of wheat. It's all part of the Golden Triangle then?
Yes.
This is Belt Creek. Oh, they got a pickup head. Is there a name for this valley? Oh my gosh, that must be a bridge across the belt, clear on the horizon. Anaconda Copper Smelter and Refinery. There's the falls. The reason for the name. Great Falls, Montana. We're standing on top of a bluff that Lewis and Clark would have come up the Missouri River, right there, along the Belt Creek, and then right up to where we're standing right now. This just amazes me to think that I'm standing in the same area that they would be here. I neglected to say the reason why they got off the Missouri River and traveled up the belt to this area was to avoid the falls near Great Falls. They portaged around the falls from here.
I'm not complaining.
That's what I would do.
No.
What are you complaining
I
about?
was just asking him if there's anything could do to make this thing run better. One time when I did try revving it up a bit, like it was almost like it might be carburation because it kind of cleared out and then it was okay.
Well, everybody
It just blubbers a little.
Everybody comments about the Squeaky Bell. Maybe you should fix that.
Every one of them do that.
Do they?
Every one of them.
I wonder what.
Oh,
you quit?
No.
Man.
You gonna play, Jesse?
Little gun type.
Come on, you can outdo the guys.
She has the all-time low record. Yeah. Impossible. She got 50 points.
Isn't it? Where were we at in Nebraska? We were driving that one road and they had all them barn quilts, Carol.
It was in Iowa.
That was Iowa?
Yeah.
No, it's okay. You can keep going. That's really cool.
See, that's Jim straight across his Carter. That's the Bell Creek drainage right there, coming down. We should take them down to the trestles. That's cool down
Yeah.
there.
I think Brett
See the
wants
creek,
to.
Tracy?
Nope, but I can zoom in and get it.
That's a pretty good hole.
It is.
Yeah, it is.
And see them wires going through there, Tracy?
2 sets of them if you
Yeah,
look at it.
I see
There's
those
a taller
wires.
set and a lower set.
What about them?
Well, it's just a pretty good span.
Oh,
It is too.
Like on the river, so they had to. Hell, they had to walk along the bank and pull the boats.
Exactly.
so we came back to Great Falls for supper tonight. This is where we ended up.
It goes into the return auger. The flighting comes both ways. Okay. I don't care. I'll show you. Well, maybe it's locked. Going back to neutral, so.
Okay.
So you can either push it ahead and hold it for you're unloading and the cart gets full.
Oh.
You can shut the bottom auger off and empty the tube so the tube ain't carrying a full load of grain around the field.
Which is a great idea.
Yeah, which is really nice.
Oh, this thing's all.
Freaking oily.
What the heck is that right there? What's this?
This is the return tube.
Oh, that's the
for
return.
the left side.
Okay.
And
Oh, there's one on each side?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. And this is the drive that runs the whole shoe then.
Okay, that's
And that's the eccentric bearing I was
talking about.
just talking about.
Okay, up here.
Yeah. And well, they took the lever off, but then this whole thing opens up. Sure. You can't get in front of the unit. Anyway, I was just gonna say, if Tracy's grandpa had some real downtime,
Yeah.
he wasn't opposed to taking a fishing pole and see if he could catch something.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, this wasn't the only set of rapids they had to negotiate then.
No, not
was
that
it?
at all.
See,
There's the park. I remember going over there.
I wonder if this was built during the 30s
I wonder.
when all them type of things.
more falls. This is the Ryan Dam. Don't! They said don't do that. Dang it.
Not to.
No!
Not to.
Jim and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notification so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.